Welcome to the in front of me Nokia 1.4, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just go to the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the media, column, ring and notification and alarm volumes. You can change them just by swap these blue dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, you can set here the vibration for calls, or also get here the don't disturb mode. You can turn it on or turn off, or just set a custom time when that will come when the don't disturb mode will turn on. Also here you can change the media or ringtone sounds. This device get the 2 SIM slots, so you can just select 2 different ringtones to each of SIM card. Also you can set the new alarm and notification sound, and here, as can you see, we got advanced options. All of these options are turned on. You can turn them off by tap once on the switchers. You can turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, enable the screen locking sound, the charging sounds and vibration, also the touch sounds. As can you hear, we just turn on our touch sounds on our device, and also like the touch vibration. When you will enable this option, you will just feel the vibration when you will touch your screen or open the application. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.